Hadin ka jumpoy uti kaya daw COVID na kamenta ki bakat pras nem hadu saw pasaw nem ka tahni kesngi ka khat saw terik jemang arajara pawai na sedang ban ai kini kiti ka shik na samla bat ki rangba ki bala kenjoy ka khat pra hadu saw pasaw nem. Hakani kesngi bala ai lingkong ya ketika la sha tang shi spot san po ha ka shi sngi ha hakawai pakawai ka center bat ki to ki bala deb register online. Ki center ki bala ban IT ka ki bakat pra hadu saw pasaw nem ka ha pa Bethany Hospital Shillong, Rinjak Dispensary Shillong, ke Nazareth Hospital Shillong, ke Civil Hospital Shillong, but ke Mimhans Shillong.
Actually, it's the first time, so let's just see. Right now, though, I'm not feeling anything, no dizziness, nothing, because as people, they keep on saying that once you have this vaccination, then you'll be having this and that problem. So right now, I'm not feeling anything. Let's see what happens. Let's see tomorrow.
Ate, nasawan, wala review. Dito super kat bay ma. Kam slam ma. Yo ate mentah layo tang nasawan. Apa iki bro kenong tiang tu ya. Mal nadong mensang si yo ang vaksin dalam umjo ini. Kam kere ke. Mal ladang yo mensang kum BCG. Ya. Lagi pang bay ya. Dan Jepang tambah lengkapin dina tu ya kata yang jeng lain je kata Jepang je. Nama gilayo lupa kita ki antibody. Ang kaniro kalau mencuri, numpang siwa tambah gilayo jeng nyada.